What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisperer. We're back again to record another Algorand video. And so this is the key. So for us to identify the bottom of this bear market, we must demonstrate patience. And in order to do that, we aren't guaranteed the very bottom, basically, but we could get a very good low DCA average that would pretty much make it look like we sniped the bottom when the bull market comes. So that's what we want to do. We want to get as close as to the bottom as we can. And if we're that talented, we get the bottom, then so be it. But in order to do that, it's going to take a lot of patience and a lot of waiting for confirmation. So because I plan to just buy new lows when the green dot on the day chart and so on carries up. So green dot day chart, 2-day, 3-day, 4-day, all the way up to the week and monthly. All right. And I already made my first purchase, and it was sloppy, ugly entries. It was more based off of this is the lowest price I've ever seen or ever bought. And it ended up being at 46 cents and 0.4660. That's when I bought it. And so you can see, like, this is what I'm saying. Like the average of, like, let's say the weekly, if I only buy weekly green dots, I'm eventually going to catch the bottom and have it fly like this one right here. You see that? So that's actually a good example. This green dot on the weekly caught this entire run. So if we DCA green dots from the day chart up, we should be in pretty good shape, but we have to be patient and wait for these green dots because it might take a while. It might take a while because from here, this was 22nd of November to 2021, from that red dot right there to this green dot, 14th of March. This is the weekly chart. So we're going to be patient. We're going to catch this. I don't think 46 cents in the long term is a bad price. Right now we're focused on the 1 hour chart. And on the 1 hour chart, we have a trend developing that is we're getting rejected by the 100. Because what was it? I bought my first purchase 46 right here. I was immediately in profit all the way up to 50 cents, I believe. And then I fell out of profit when as low as after my purchase, the best price would have been 41 cents. So I could have gotten 5 cents cheaper, but that didn't happen. And we need to stop getting rejected by this 100 because if we do, this is a higher low. So we don't want to create higher lows each time. We want to create a higher high. And then in order to do that, we have to break above the 100-day EMA. We have to go above 47 cents, guys, and see how we play it out from there. But we're going to navigate this 1 hour chart, identify what kind of trend we're in, and buy day charts and up. Okay, guys? So patience is the key. That's what I wanted to relate to you guys. Actually, in my last video, I said I'll give you as big as a 20% run. It went almost 50 because it bottomed out at 35 cents and then topped out at 50 cents. That was a 42% gain. So congratulations to the person that got anywhere around these levels right here. They did a really good job. That was a 42% gain. I hope you cashed out after 20 or after 30 or even the whole 40. You know what I mean? Because, would you be out of profit? No, actually, you still be in profit from the lows. Let me see what you're at now if you bought that. You're not out of profit, actually. 27%. We're creating lower lows, guys. So that means the market's going down. You could be a holder if you want. You could be a swing trader if you want. That's up to you. Nothing's really wrong because if you're patient and you keep DCA and you buy more aggressively, but that's the point, though. See, a bear market is designed to bleed you dry of your cash. So you got to be really good at what you're doing. Either you're going to buy strength on the way up and be patient so it doesn't bleed you dry as quick. But if you have a big bag of money and you want to keep buying lower lows, you have to make that purchase bigger than the other one so your average is the lower. Understand? It's a tricky game. Don't get bled out, do what I said. Wait, be patient. Wait for a 2-day green dot. I'm gonna wait for the 2-day because I already bought at 46. I'm gonna consider that an early 1-day buy. But I'll wait for the 2-day green dot for me to keep DCAing green dots on the way up higher and higher and higher time frames. And one of the things I've studied, because the reason most people don't wait for these green dots or confirmations is because they want to get the best price, the lowest low. You really want to snipe it. So they go, I'm guilty of this. But, and then because you think that you're going to, if you wait for the green dot on the day chart, you're going to miss the lowest low, the lowest price. That's not always true. Sometimes I've bought before the green dot, and then when the green dot on the day chart comes up, it's because it's a newer low. So we're going to be patient, and we're going to map this out, and we're going to, record everything we do, and we will come out a stronger, better trader after this bear market, because this is the first time we're going through something like this. But I want to guarantee that we catch the bottom. I want to guarantee that I made the most amount of money and took advantage of the cheapest prices I could have with the amount of money I had. So we will be here to catch the very closest to the bottom we can. All right, guys, stay blessed. Don't take too big of a risk, but trade safe. All right, guys, and be patient. Peace.